Okay, you ready? Don't you do that. Don't you do it. I will throw this brush at you. It's cottonwood everywhere, because that's what happens in this state. Lots of cottonwood blowing around like snow. So we have to clean the air conditioner for the shed. And so I have enlisted someone's help. Morgan, what are you doing?
There's grass.
You got grass on you?
Yeah.
What a travesty. Why don't you bring the hose over here? Without doing that. Look, cottonwood. You can just see it floating around. Look at it. It's everywhere. So, it's like meteors. So you have to shut it off. It's coming down off its cycle. You guys that have been watching a while know that this is the air conditioner. And then we're going to take that grate off, which is 2 little screws. Look at all that. Look at that. We can get all that out of there. Gotta get all that out of there. So we'll take those screws out, and then we're gonna brush it very carefully with this fine brush, and then wash it down with that fine hose. Not me. It's done. Okay, you ready? Don't you do that. Don't you do it. I will throw this brush at you. So we have to do the screws, so I need both my hands. Achievement unlocked with no help from you.
I helped pull it out.
Whatever. Take a look at this. This is gross back here, man. Look at all this out of there. Where's the before?
I shouldn't even be helping you. I'm allergic to this.
Whatever. You're allergic to nothing.
Yeah, I am. I got tested.
Whatever. You're gonna get all this out of here. It's gonna be clean as whistles. All right, that's good. I already did half of it. No, there you go. Look at that. I can make you a sweater out of this. What was that?
It went in my nose.
Yeah, whatever. Only one way.
I know that.
Pull up. Look at that. Can make you at least a mitten.
No, you can't.
Yeah, we can have a cotton mitten.
This is not enough cotton for that.
It seems like enough.
Plus, mittens aren't made out of cotton. They're made out of wool.
The neatest. It is everywhere right now. Only one way.
I know that. Thank you.
Only one way. Look, you get it all brushed all over. Just clear, straight strokes.
That's what I'm doing.
I don't feel that. Oh, good grief.
Move.
Get it in your hair.
Wow, really?
Maybe you should just use your hair to clean it.
No.
So they used to do.
No, they didn't.
Clear the brush. Yeah, that would be smart. So you don't like push it into there.
I'm not.
Go get those pokey sticks out of the drawer.
Those are for cleaning my straws.
No, they're actually not meant for your straws. Oh my god. Those are from me. Not. They're specifically shish kebabs. We don't make shish kebabs, so of course it's from my straws. Whatever. So, anyway, yeah, lots of cottonwood, lots and lots. It's like snow. But the weather station, like last week, is kicking butt up there. Got lots of statisticals out there in the universe. I am supplying the National Weather Service with. It's pretty sweet. Where's the shish kebabs? Oh, that's not what I was talking about.
Oh. Are you talking about these?
Yeah.
Oh. These aren't gonna work.
Why?
They're gonna stab them.
The what?
They're gonna stab them, the wires.
No, you just don't do it that hard. You do it gently. And
Suit
put it more on the
yourself.
metal than the outside metal than the inside.
See, it's not doing
It
anything.
is. You're getting it out of there. Look at that. Look, literally, it just came out the camera. Look at all this. There you go. Gotta get them all in there. Start at the top. one stream.
Yeah.
So you can shoot down in that crack like you're.
What crack?
The,
Oh.
the crack.
This might bend the coils, so.
No, don't still do it. See?
Ah!
Oh, it's just water. It's water. What is wrong with you?
My shoes are gonna get wet.
Oh my god. Look at you. You're like an HVAC repair person.
Ah!
You and your stammering foot positions. Hey, no. Coils. Hey, hey! Ah! That's cold. I'm gonna spray you down.
Mm-mm.
Here.
What's this for?
I don't know. I was tired of holding it.
Your air is gonna be extra hydrated now.
Yep, it'll be good. It's good. Look how clean that is. Look how clean that is. Nice. Nice. Looks totally good. So there's stem out of your hair right there. God dang it.
You just said we have to clean it next week. We'll
Yeah,
just get
we're gonna have to clean it again. And again and again. Good job though. Here, hold this. It's not like. Ah!